video from Walmart of stuff we got tonight. First off, I got some more breadcrumbs that are plain. I need it when I cook my chicken. We grabbed some stuff for the fireplace, as well as this. I got a new pan so I can cook dinner tomorrow night. Some magazines. Some straws so I can drink things better. And a CD that I've been waiting for that I wanted. And I grabbed some cupcakes, Christmassy, and some new lotion that I'm going to try. So, that is everything that we got tonight. Thanks for watching.